Hi, this is Sandra. This is finished results of our harvest rice. It has cashews, raisins, and almonds and cranberries in it. It's great for this season coming to have this rice. It's flavorful. You can put any season you want in it. You can put any, let's see, I say you could put any currants in there if you like. But this is just a regular harvest rice. I'm going to show you how you make this. It is delicious. It has a wonderful taste and it's just right for something different to put on the table for the family gathering for these Thanksgiving seasons coming. This is Sandra. I want to tell you how to eat it and get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. But you're going to have to get the imperial nuts, and it has all that blend inside there, and it tastes real, real good. It's fruity nutty, and your rice will be fruity and nutty as well. After this presentation, I'll show you how to do this recipe, and you go to soulfoodqueen.net and get the recipe. This is Sandra. Thank you for watching. In this pan, I have celery and onion. I'm going to add a little garlic, but not a lot. I'm going to show you what I'm making. I'm going to use this right here, this product, and it's called Imperial Nuts, Fruit and Nuts, a blend. It has cashews, peanuts, raisins, almonds, and another type of raisin as well. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. I'm adding some broth, just a little broth. Flake it up, just like that. I add butter. And at this point, you can put any seasoning that you want in it. I'm not putting any seasoning in mine. I like mine just like this. I'm going to sit it in the oven for about a good 10 minutes, and then we'll serve it and let you see what it tastes like. Right, here's our finished results of our harvest rice. This is what this is, y'all. It has almonds, it has cranberries, it has raisins, and it has cashews. This is the harvest rice. You can put any season that you want in it. I just use it plain because I like the harvest taste in the rice. I add broccoli. I add anything you want to put in here, you can add to this. That's what I did. So whatever you want, you can put broccoli in it, you can put vegetables in it, but mostly it's a harvest rice, and I think you enjoy it. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net.